Hi everyone! Today, we will introduce how to use serial debugging on the YY3568 motherboard. But first, let us briefly introduce you our development board. YY3568 is a motherboard on the RK3568 chip. It has a new architecture that offers low power consumption and high efficiency. The motherboard has a rich interface and supports multiple external sensor modules. Therefore, it is widely applicable in scenarios such as edge computing, smart homes, and intelligent vehicles. First, access the official website and click on Firmware Upgrade. The debug serial port for YY3568 is UART2 with a baud rate of 1,500,000. Serial port 2 is located at this position on the back of the development board and is labeled with silkscreen markings. We need to connect the TX pin of the serial module to the ARX pin of the motherboard. The ARX pin of the serial module should be connected to the TX pin of the motherboard. Since serial communication requires a common ground, it is necessary to establish a common ground connection. We also need to connect their GND pins together. Click on the link to access the official website. Click on Get Mobexterm to proceed. Download the open source version. The one on the right is the portable version, which can be used directly after extracting. The version on the right requires step-by-step installation. We are downloading the version on the right side. After the download is complete, you will receive a compressed file, extracted by decompressing the file. Click on the exe file to run the program. After entering the software, we first connect the YY3568 motherboard to the computer using the serial module. Then click on Session to create a new session. Select Serial to establish a connection via the serial port. Select the serial port number. Set the baud rate to 1,500,000. Press OK. Power on the motherboard and wait for the startup process to complete. When the motherboard stops printing startup information, we can enter shell commands. For example, we can enter ifconfig to view the IP address of the motherboard. There are more detailed debugging tutorials available on the wiki. You can refer to it for more information. That's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.